Hello, Nikolai Markovich from Echolake Technologies, echolaketech.com. So I've been working with a client recently, and he's in need of doing some peer-to-peer video chat. So I've done some research, and I came up with some technology created by Groovio. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own video chat. And the nice thing about this video chat is it can be done for free. So let's get started. First thing, I'm going to go and add a new page, call it video chat, and create it off my template here. The first thing we want to do is add an HTML, and I'm going to make this 600 by 500, like that. HTML video chat, and in it we're going to take some snippet of code from Groovio. So this is Groovio's API page, embedded API. I'm going to take this code here, copy it, bring it over here to my HTML editor, and clean this up a bit, and change my height to the same size as my HTML page. I'm also going to delete this for now. In a moment, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some dynamic value in here that we will provide from Bubble. Okay, save that, and as you can see, we've already got the Groovio site in the iframe. Actually, I want to make this iframe. The next thing we want to do is the ability to add a unique code. So basically how Groovio works is we'll enter in a unique code, we will share that with another person, and then they can go and type it in, and then you both can have a video chat together. So enter Groovio code below, like that. Need a input, Groovio code. It's going to be of type text, so that's okay, like that. And then we need a button. And basically this is going to add button, add Groovio code. It's going to submit code. It is going to add the code to the user's record. There's different ways you can do it. You can go and have a random number generator created, and you can email it to whomever you want to have a video chat with. So there's a variety of ways, but we'll keep it simple in this demo. Now I do need to go to my user and add Groovio code. It is of type text. So under user, I've got Groovio code, and when we submit it, we want to go and make a change to a thing. So data, make changes to a thing, current user, and we want to have Groovio code to be the input Groovio code's value, just like that. Now at this point, it should be all set up. Let's give it a try. Okay, so let's see here. Let's give a code. Let's say Echo Lake. Submit code. Oh, one other thing we forgot to do, back to here, is we have to tell it, let me slide this over, we have to tell it that we want to use this dynamic value. So current users, Groovio code, like that. And I already had it populated in there. I could change it to Echolake 2, like that. Keep it back at Echolake. All right, so now I can start a video call. Hello. And I'm going to come over here. And I'm actually on Groovio's site right now. And if I type in Echolake, like that, do a video call, allow that. There we go. And that is how you set up a Groovio video call. I'm just going to hang up here because of the feedback. There. So I'm running this page on Safari. This does work on iOS as well as Droid. So you can do video calls from your laptop to iPhone or Droid phone or between phones and so forth. So that's basically how you go and set up a peer-to-peer video call for free using Groovio. Hope you found this video to be helpful. If you have any questions, please leave me a note below. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.